So I'm gonna go ahead and take them on, and we'll be back in about 30 minutes.
Fair, going really fast. You scream.
We're in. I'm gonna be getting my introductory pilot lesson here. So you guys, you'll be in charge of the camera, Marilyn.
Hey, watch out, Ruby.
Yeah, get back, get off of there. Wait on him to be done. Yeah.
Come here, young lady. Can you get on up in there? Do I need to tell you how to get in your seat? You know how to get in that seat, don't you?
Is this how they take planes everywhere? I saw a picture. She's boarding a plane.
Well,
It's a picture.
Too tight.
Yeah, it's that guy. I showed that picture to Ruth in the car.
How's that?
Isn't
that wonderful?
Okay, Marilyn. Focus, Marilyn, focus.
Yes, sir.
Do I need to tell you how to put on your seatbelt too?
He has to make sure it's on. That's his job. He's a professional. Here, let me hold this door. Sorry.
Yeah, I gotta explain to her how to put it on. She got it all twisted up. Now you gotta unbuckle it. Just lift that tab right there. See?
Oh, okay.
Now we don't want it all twisted up and corrupted now. So go on and untwist it. If you untwist it there, it'll go in a little bit better.
It's just like riding a hurricane at the Nicholas County Fair.
There you go.
I rode that. Like this.
Now,
oh, they got headphones back here too.
Tight it, just pull it down a little bit.
It's good.
You don't want it too tight there. You can't cut your circulation off. What's what?
What's this?
Now she gonna put it on her head. Wait a minute. Now you ain't putting it on that way because that's on backwards.
Okay.
I'll take time to dance 1 hour 26 minutes.
All right. Woo! What did y'all like the airplane ride?
Yeah.
Shoot.
He was not scared back there. I was
I can upload videos to MySpace.
Yeah, let's upload the spot. You want to upload the airplane video tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to put it on YouTube, and we can link it to MySpace, and we can also link it to my Facebook.
You got enough? Do you have the cable that goes to the laptop for that?
To
The camera. Do you have the cable that goes from the laptop to the camera?
Oh, I don't have to. I just pop the card out and pop it straight in the laptop.
Oh, okay.
We have plenty of memory on to record with, but the battery's dying.
Oh.
And I don't know where the battery charger is at. I know we have it, but I didn't find it when we left. That's expensive to learn how to fly, isn't it, Rick?
No, that's cheap. For a first plane flight, usually it costs in the thousands.
Woo!
Know that. Know that. I know I talked to the lady earlier. So she said it was in the thousands.
Ruby John Lynch.
Oh. Maryland,
Ruby
that's
John.
not nice.
Emmett John.
How about instead of Emmett John, Emmy Lou?
How about Maryland?
Dermot.